crispy, golden, and irresistible. Who doesn't love perfect French fries? But achieving that ideal balance of fluffy interior and crispy exterior can be a challenge, especially when making them at home. Today, we're sharing a foolproof method for creating French fries that not only taste amazing, but stay crispy long after they've cooled. This recipe is based on groundbreaking research by Kenji López-Alt, author of The Food Lab. It's a departure from the traditional double fry method, offering more reliable results in fries that maintain their crunch even after they've gone cold. The process involves several key steps. First, we cut the potatoes into batons using a serrated knife. This creates a rougher surface, increasing crispiness. Next, we rinse the cut fries and simmer them in vinegar water. This step removes excess sugars and activates the potato starches, setting the stage for ultimate crispiness. After draining and drying the potatoes, we move on to frying. Unlike deep frying, this method uses a shallow fry technique, requiring only about 3 centimeters of oil. The fries are cooked twice, first at a high temperature for a short time, then cooled before a second fry to achieve that perfect golden color and satisfying crunch. One of the most crucial aspects of this recipe is safety. Always ensure you have enough headroom in your pot to prevent oil overflow, and add the potatoes to the oil in stages to avoid dangerous bubbling. When it comes to choosing potatoes, opt for starchy varieties like russet or Maris Piper. These types provide the ideal texture for crispy fries with fluffy interiors. Once your fries are perfectly cooked, it's time for seasoning. While simple salt is always a winner, you can experiment with flavored salts like rosemary or even a nori seasoning for a trendy twist. With this method, you'll be able to create restaurant-quality French fries right in your own kitchen. These fries are so good, they'll stay crispy even after they've cooled, though it's unlikely they'll last that long. Serve them alongside your favorite burger. Use them to make loaded fries, or simply enjoy them on their own for the ultimate snack or side dish.